Yeah, everything is going okay. What about you?
Yeah, I am fine too. Just a
Yeah,
normal day.
yeah, everything is going. So, where are you from? It's her.
Yeah, I am from Myanmar.
Myanmar. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
Yeah. So, how long have you been here?
Actually, 3 weeks.
Okay. So, if I say about the experience, what would be your opinion in this application?
Mm, so you are new
Yeah,
in
yeah,
here?
yeah. I am new here also. I'm just
Okay.
here like the 1 week only.
Ah, okay. Yeah. In Amsterdam, um, I think my speaking skill is improved,
Yeah, that's
and
great.
yeah, and also I have to speak out my mouth in here.
Mm, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. That's why I think it's good for speaking.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I think also that because you know that every person come here for improving their speaking English, and
Yeah,
I think it's the most useful application for the learner who really want to learn new thing, new their
yeah,
skill. So it's just very helpful, and yeah, I think that if we continue practicing in this
yeah,
application, yeah, one day we will be more fluent, and we will also get more confident about our English.
yeah.
Mm. So, how long do you spend your time in this application? Usually every day.
And you mean
Uh,
you mean what?
yeah, I mean that every day, how long do you spend your time on this application?
Just only half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is also the good things that if not you, if I also that if we just spend half an hour every day, so it is very enough for us to improve our uh, English skill. So, but we must more have to be more conscious, have to keep practicing every day. That in this time we just will improve our skill, and we will get more confident, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So basically, what do you do?
Actually, I am a university student and also working as a barista.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm.
So what about you?
Yeah, I have just finished my study, and I am doing my own business. And yeah, I am trying to do something about English related, a new one. That's why my
Mm,
focus is right now on English.
okay.
Mm. So have you
Okay.
had your dinner?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. So in this territory, what time is it now?
Is 9 hours and half hour. 9:30 p.m.
Or 9:30 p.m. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Also, I mean that 9:30 p.m. I am in my area, in my country, 9 p.m.
Oh,
Mm,
okay.
okay, okay.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
Especially right now, I usually do whenever I get my free time, I just want to learn a some new thing about about English almost because right now my intention is doing improving English, improving my skill. So whenever I get time, I just listen some kinds of podcast or the blog, which is made definitely the foreign YouTuber, not our country. And I most of the time, and also I sometimes listen some kinds of motivational speech and
Yeah.
you know that as a human we just sometimes we lost our consistency, so I think that it's very important to maintain our consistency, to keep our consistency. So gradually sometimes when I get time I just want to uh, uh, listen some motivational speech. So okay, that's
Right.
time to our time is just going off.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
okay, have a good day.
Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.